Good day everyone. In this video, I will be sharing with you all a powerful PC build that has excellent performance and is very ideal for all types of uses, together with my partner Mr. Orville J. Paler, who will be discussing the other system unit peripherals and devices. I will be discussing the tower case, motherboard, hard drive, and CPU. The GPU, RAM, power supply, and water cooling system will be discussed by my partner later on with some other devices such as monitor and keyboard. The remaining 3 devices will be discussed by me, which are the mouse, headset, and webcam. System unit peripherals. The first one that I will be discussing is the tower case. The Lian Li O11DX white chassis has double-layer cable management design and complete dust protection. This can support 6 SSD and 3 HDD. Motherboard. The ASRock B560 Pro gives an exceptional power. It has 8 power phase assigned and equipped with clever access memory. Hard drive. The 2TB Toshiba 7200 RPM HDD offers a full security and optimization of data process. Central Processing Unit. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is one of the best processors in operating system, which is ideal for heavy applications. The GPU will be tackled by my partner, Mr. Orville J. Paler.
Hello everyone, I'm Orville J. L. Paler, and I will be discussing the GPU, RAM, and etc. Let's start with GPU. Zotac RTX 3060 Twin-Edge OCY is a welcome addition to NVIDIA's RTX 30 series. It's ideal for 1080p high refresh rate gaming, and it is also energy efficient. The next one is RAM. 16GB Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro series DDR4 overclock memory illuminates your PC with fascinating, dynamic, individually controllable RGB illumination. The next one is the power supply. FSP Hydro G Pro Gold 1000 watts 80 plus full modular PSU. It delivers steady performance. The 80 plus gold badge assures consumers of a worry-free gaming experience. The next one is the cooling system. Our cooling system is water cooling. ZoomFlow 240X Snow White EIO is an all-in-one RGB liquid CPU cooler with 240mm radiator designed to keep your processor cool. Other devices. Monitor. 27 inches 144 Hz curved 4K gaming monitor. It features a 144 Hz refresh rate, and it is smoother animations, less screen tearing, reduced ghosting, and competitive advantage. Last one is the keyboard. Redragon Komara Key55 RGB mechanical keyboard. It's a fantastic gaming keyboard. The clicky Ultimo Blue switches offer a pre-travel distance and are pleasurable responsive. My partner, Miss Robelyn Hinobaten, will go through the remaining slides.
The Logitech G102 LightSync White offers an accurate cursor tracking and responsive performance. The Redragon Zeus 2 all-in-one gaming headset White H510W offers a wider frequency range, richer sound fields, and extreme fidelity sound. The Logitech C270 HD webcam gives a sharp, smooth conference calls with auto-light correction and mono noise reducing mic. Therefore, we come up with a total of 99,400 pesos. This may be pricey, but it can guarantee a quality performance for excellent productivity, or should I say, money-back guarantee. This is a PC build in white edition, which gives a clean, minimalistic, and aesthetic vibe in a workplace. Thank you for watching, and God bless.